So what happens when energy transforms? Well, an energy transformation occurs when energy transforms from one type to another. Any type of energy can change into any other type, and one type can also transform into more than one type. Let's look at an example. When you use a flashlight, the chemical energy from the batteries will transform into electrical energy that travels through the circuit. Then the electrical energy will transform into electromagnetic energy, or the light that is produced. Heat or thermal energy may also be generated. All energy transformations must follow the law of conservation of energy, which says that energy cannot be created or destroyed, it can only be transformed from one form to another. All types of energy in a closed system have the same amount of energy from start to finish. The total energy is always conserved. However, some energy will be lost as heat or thermal energy. That means that the energy you started with is transformed into thermal energy as well as another type that you are looking for. So let's try an example. What energy transformation occurs in a firework? Pause the video and try this question. Fireworks contain different chemicals. These chemicals store chemical potential energy. When the firework is lit, it produces thermal energy. This thermal energy is then transformed into light and sound.